Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to export Claude Chat to PDF, Word and Google Docs in one click. Alright, so let's dive in. First of all, just open your Claude software on web browser because this method will only work on browser. Now open a new tab. Go on Chrome Web Store. Now type here Claude Exporter. Okay. Now click on this extension, Claude Exporter, Claude Chat to PDF, Notion, Word and more. Now click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Wait for a few seconds. Now go back on Claude and reload your page. Okay. Now go on this, click on this puzzle icon on top right and make sure your Claude extension is pinned. Now reload the page. And here, as you can see, you can export to PDF, Word, Google Docs and Notion. So that's it for the video. Just click on this icon and it will take some time to open and your document will be saved after that. So you can choose PDF, you can choose Word, Docs, whatever you want. That's it for the video. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.